Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Salesforce for customer relationship management, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin your journey with Salesforce for customer relationship management, first, create a Salesforce account. Visit the Salesforce website and select the option to sign up for a free trial. Fill out the required information, including your name, email address, and company details. Once you've completed the sign-up process, log in to your Salesforce dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the user interface, noting key sections like the home page, tabs, and navigation menu. Begin by setting up your contacts. Navigate to the Contacts tab and click New to add customer information. Enter details such as names, emails, phone numbers, and any additional relevant information. Next, create accounts associated with these contacts. Head to the Accounts tab and click New. Fill in the company details including the name, address, and industry type. Link each account to its corresponding contact by selecting the contact from a drop-down list. Move on to setting up opportunities to track sales deals. Select the Opportunities tab and click New. Provide details such as the opportunity name, close date, and expected revenue. Assign the opportunity to an owner, typically a sales representative. Next, establish leads to identify potential customers. Navigate to the Leads tab and click New. Input information such as lead name, contact details, and source of the lead. Once you've set up leads, begin managing them by converting hot leads into contacts and opportunities. Select a lead from your list and click Convert. This will create a new account, contact, and opportunity automatically. Utilize Salesforce reports for insights into your customer interactions. Head to the Reports tab and choose to create a new report. Select the type of report you need, such as Opportunities by Stage. Customize your report by dragging and dropping fields into the report builder. Run the report to analyze data and improve sales strategies. Next, explore dashboards for visual representation of your data. Go to the Dashboards tab and click New Dashboard. Choose components such as charts or graphs to display your reports effectively. Save your dashboard to return to it easily later. Leverage Salesforce automation features to enhance efficiency. Utilize workflow rules to automate repetitive tasks. Set criteria that trigger automatic actions like sending email alerts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.